Can you recover deleted files?
Yes, recovery is possible. When you delete a file, it's usually moved to the recycle bin or trash. Even after emptying the bin, the data often remains on your disk until overwritten. Acting quickly improves your chances of successful recovery. Let's explore the best methods to restore your accidentally deleted files.
First steps, check the recycle bin or trash.
Check your recycle bin or trash first. Open it and look for your deleted file. If you find it, right-click and choose Restore. The file will return to its original location. This is often the quickest and easiest way to recover recently deleted files on Windows and Mac computers.
Built-in recovery tools on your computer.
Use built-in restore options. On Windows, check file history or previous versions by right-clicking the folder where the file was stored. On Mac, use Time Machine to browse backups. If you set up these features beforehand, you may be able to restore earlier file versions or recover deleted items.
Free file recovery software options.
Try free recovery programs. Tools like Recuva, PhotoRec, and TestDisk can scan your storage for deleted files. Download and install the recovery software on a different drive if possible to avoid overwriting lost data. Follow the program's instructions to scan, preview, and restore recoverable files.
What if my files are still missing?
Act quickly if built-in tools fail. If recovery software doesn't work, avoid saving new files to the affected drive. Consider seeking help from a professional data recovery service, which may offer more advanced solutions. Prevent future loss by regularly backing up your important data to external drives or cloud storage.